I'm Dr. Mohammad Chaudhary, MSCOO7. Welcome to Science class. As a student of science, I wanted to take labor every conception. What kind of things they do, that is, but that is knowledge, that is utilization, that is good, that is not. As a Muslim, Allah is the one and only case. As a Muslim, Allah is the one and only creator, except for all occasion, last and best. I am a simple question of Allah, nothing else. So, my friends, what are we discuss about one and only creator, Allah, and one and only creator. So, by all creation, creator is one and only proof. By all creation, creator is one and only proof, and a proof. Then we decide about by all creation, creator is one and only proof. By creator, everything creator one and only proof. Already proof by made. Now we go to that describe the elaboration. Now time, space and time. How creator created time? Once upon a time, here and there was no creation. So if creation is not present, how time is calculated? Creation is not created. That time, what time alive? Creator calculated time. So creator time alive. When creator is determined and created creation from that type, if creator that creation not destroy, still time alive. Okay, fine. So still time alive. So by the basis of time, creator is one and only proof. Creation time also creation. Created by creator can change by creator, can created by creator, can destroy by creator, can and increase, decrease by creation. How? Increase, decrease by creator. How? If creator destroy all creation and all not all creation like me, if creator destroy me, then my time also destroy. What is the reason? As a creation I am destroy. Creator destroy me. So if creation is not present, if creation like me, MSCOO7 is not present, how my time alive? So that is the reason, the end of time creation, the end of creation time, like creation like me, MSc as a representative of MSCOO7 was to destroy. So beginning of the time is ongoing process. As per I know, creator not destroy any creation. So time is ongoing process continually. If anyone calculate. For example, in case of English calendar, 2025 calculate. But before that time, our time also present. But we are not calculate. By the basis of day night, time calculate. By the basis of moment, time calculate by clock or watch. So by the basis of time, creator is one and only proof. If creator more than one, everywhere is time changing and difference and anything else. But in sun, moon, earth, solar panel, universe, time is same. By the basis of day and night, every planet, time, you know that calculate. Somewhere by the basis of day night, if you by the basis of day night you time calculate. In case of our planet, 24 hours equal more or less 24 hours day and night. In case of other planet, how much time? That depend on the rotate the sun and planet and that depend on that time. So everywhere you go to the universe, the same process. Time is calculated by the basis of day and night. Same process. By the basis of clock, same process. So by the basis of time, creator is one and only true. If creator more than one, there is a time difference everywhere. But there is not time difference in our sun, moon, earth, solar panel, universe, also multiverse, creator house, also creation by survival creation. And what is time? Time is valuable creation. Creation time is valuable creation. Created by creator, can change by creator, can guide by creator, controlled by creator, can increase by creator, can decrease by creator. How? Creator can convert that. How? For example, if you go to the sun, moon, earth, you go to the moon, the 1/3 of light is speed by the basis of earth time, and someone go to the rocket speed, how much time difference? So by that machine you also can calculate that if you go to the sun, earth to moon, 1/3 of light speed, 1 lakh equal more or less 1 lakh kilometer per second. Then then someone go to the rocket, you already present in moon, but rocket is ongoing process, and by the basis of one third of light speed equal more or less 1 lakh kilometer, you come back in earth. Then but rocket speed is still not, you not go to the moon. By that process time can uh, by that basis of that machine, is that time machine? No, 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 that is not time machine, that is speedy vehicle. By that speedy vehicle you can decrease your time. How? You quickly or speedy, that is the reason you go to the moon and come in earth. But in rocket speed you not, still now not go to the moon. Okay, fine. So by the basis of time, creator is one and only proof. Now you know that, understand. Now we discuss, elaborate about space. How creator created space. Why now here and there was no creation, only one and only creator present. So who created the space? One and only creator. If creator is more than one, what happened? Now the creation space also divided, also increased, decreased, also changing, moving, also rotated, and moving of the creation space also changing. How much creator, that much changing. But creator is one and only. The creation space is stable, not increase, not decrease, is not moving. That is the reason by the basis of creation space, creator is one and only proof. So my friend and supporter, now we go to the creation space. How long creation space? As far I know, Allah no base, not only base, but also everything. If we calculate the creation space is circular, then equal more or less 1,20,000 current light years. Creation space long. Length of creation space 1,20,000 current light years. If you any creation from, if equal creation space is equal more or less circular from center to peripheral, necessary to 60,000 current light years. And 60,000 current light years plus 60,000 current light years, 1,20,000 current light years necessary to travel that creation space or creation by light speed. In case of light speed, equal more or less 3 lakh kilometer per second. As per I know, Allah no base, not only base, but also everything. So creation space. How creator created creation space? Creator who is determined. For example, how created, you take a glass ball, and from glass ball you draw the atom. There is a empty vacuum. So creation is, what is creation space? Creation space is empty vacuum created by creator, can change by creator, can carried by creator, can control by creator, can increase by creator, can decrease by creator. Then how creator created the creation space? Creator who is determined. Then simply say kun. By kun, there is a creator, you know that occupy the creator real energy. There is a central vacuum, but still now central vacuum is creator own space. When creator withdraw the central point, the central point of the creation vacuum energy, there is a central vacuum. Then creator created the energy, sealed by that space creation energy by kun. The kun meaning static of energy. When sealed by that energy or wave, you found the creation space. Now that is the creation space. Okay, fine. Then creator sealed by that space creation energy. Creation energy like blue energy or space energy. So that is the origin, how creator created the creation space and time. That is the, as per I know, Allah no base, not only base, but also everything. How creator created the creation space. If creator is more than one, now you know that there is the division of creation space. There is the indiscipline of creation space. Maybe circular or other changing or rotation, or rotation changing or other thing happen, but that not happen. That is the reason creation space, how much creator created, that much. Still now, if creator increase, then increase, if decrease, then it decrease, otherwise same. So that is the, by the basis of creation space, creator is one and only proof. Now we go to the elaboration of the creation space. Creation space is occupied by creation space energy. For example, blue energy. For example, then dark energy. How blue energy transport to dark energy? Blue unit, you know that. Then dark color could necessary. Deeply blue. How color come? The law is there is you know that color code. Creator remain all color, all sense, all dimension, all everything, real relativity. Real relativity meaning creator real code on thinking, real DNA, real supreme node, real life content, real energy. This. That is the reason by the basis of creator real energy, creator how much creator real energy remain in creator magnifying hair call in magnifying hair node DNA. In node DNA there is a node, and in supreme node how much real energy in supreme life how much real energy remain. That depend on that creator relativity, depend on creator real energy. And creation like me, my relativity depend on my creation energy like soil energy, how much remain in my hair follicle DNA, in my cell, cellular component, organelle, and in my life, soil life. Thank you very much, my friend supporter. Today is enough. So, creator is one and only proved by the basis of time, creation time, by the basis of creation space. Thank you very much. Today is enough. Then we go to the elaboration.